Okay, so HTML. Today, when you go to any browser, be it in your laptop, your phone, you access a website. But how is that website made? So what you see is made with three essential things: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML defines the structure of what we call the document. In the early days, HTML was created so that the scientific community could share scientific documents among the network, like the internet. And then it grew so much that now we have all these web applications, social media that's so interactive and rich than just plain static text. So HTML is more about the structure, like the text, plain. And then if you want to add style, make it pretty, that's CSS. And then make it interactive, JavaScript, the programming language. Today we'll just focus on HTML, the structure of a document. All right, so HyperText Markup Language is what HTML means. And essentially, if you ever heard of XML, that's the way we write HTML with what we call tags. And they have an opening and closing tag. For example, if I want to make a paragraph in this document, I have to put an open p tag and a closing p tag here and type the text. This is a paragraph. Let me type everything in one line. So yeah, now in this environment, what I call JS, what's called jsfiddle.net, you can click in the top left run, so you can see the output here in the bottom right. If you don't like this layout, you can click settings and pick a different layout. I will stick to classic. So we're focusing on the HTML panel here, so we can write HTML code. So as you can see, I can see this is a paragraph here. We wrote a paragraph to this document. The way we do it with it's called an opening tag and a closing tag. So to start off, you always say less than sign and then the name of the tag. And then you close it with greater than sign. These are also called angle brackets. Some people like to call them that. And then you type whatever text you want the user to see. And then finally, you have to finish it off with what's called the closing tag, which is basically the open tag, but you have to have the forward slash preceding the tag name. You will also hear the name element, which is what we call these tag names. So if I say tag name, I'm also talking about element name. So this is an HTML element called P, which stands for paragraph. Okay, so it doesn't matter if I put space here, like a new line, it appears just the same. So some people like to style it like this with what's called indentation, adding at least two spaces to the left every time they open a new tag. And then once they close it, they go back to the same level like here. It doesn't matter in this situation, the output is the same visually.